Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer at Sallie Tomato. Day 16 is here and we have a bundle of joy for you to open. Day 16. This treat will have you saying fa la 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 while planning your next project. This item works well with items from day 12. Today's reveal is a beautifully coordinated fabric bundle to elevate your sewing projects. These luxurious fabrics are perfect for handbags, accessories, or small projects. Today's gift includes a 1/4 yard of each Forest Legacy and Cherry Legacy faux leather. They coordinate beautifully with Day 12's zippers. Our faux leathers are soft, pliable, durable, and easy to sew with. This vegan material is a great option for bag making due to its durability, ease of maintenance, and resistance to moisture. If this is your first time with Sallie Tomato faux leather, make sure to check out our How to Sew with Faux Leather download, which is available in the links below. We hope these beautiful faux leathers inspire you to make something stylish, functional, and full of character. We are more than halfway through our Advent box and we hope you're enjoying unboxing every day with us. You can still purchase this year's Advent box, if there are any left, on sallietomato.com. And if they are all sold out, you can sign up for our newsletter and subscribe to be one of the first people to find out when the Advent box releases in 2026. Please share and show off photos of your completed projects made with this beautiful seasonal faux leather. We'd love to see your holiday style. Use the hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag SallieTomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. We would love for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you are one of the first people to see our latest videos, tutorials, and pattern releases. Thank you so much for watching this Advent unboxing and happy sewing.